we begin today our ride from Ooty towards Coimbatore. And today is a special day because this is our first Lakshmi service. Stay tuned, let's go. As you see, Dosto, our homestay where we've been staying now was located on a really steep hill.
Oh, that was really hard to get on or down.
Yeah, at first when we were getting on with all this luggage, it was so difficult.
Yeah, I was thinking we're gonna fall from like the back side totally. But no, we made it. Even we go 2 times by bike without luggage when we were yesterday roaming around. It was pretty easy.
It's doable, yes.
Yeah, it was pretty easy.
It's doable.
And now we have 50 kilometers, but according to map, it's 1 hour and 40 minutes because of the hills. But today it must be easy because we are going down side from Ooty. So hopefully Lakshmi can relax and we can enjoy the view. Yeah?
We enjoy the views a lot on this road.
And now in the sun, amazing looks.
Oh, in the morning will be even better, that's true.
Yeah.
But if you haven't seen our vlog from getting to here, you should definitely do it. And Dosto, this is the time when you click the like button to continue watching the video. If you appreciate our content, please, we value a lot every single like that you hit. And of course we encourage you to subscribe because there will be many more adventures that we will encounter still.
And remember, whenever you want to travel, just go, buddies. Don't think much.
Don't hesitate. I say if you can dream it, you can do it.
Do it. That's right. So we have our stoppage for Lakshmi's servicing.
Yes, Lakshmi, we already dropped her to the service point. We will show you how it is when we come back there.
Yes.
And now we are getting some breakfast. Here is our samosa veg sandwich.
My samosa, which is already in half piece.
True.
Why is got half?
And we are waiting still for chai because of course how could be morning without
chai. But today we were running because we need to get to on time for KTM service, so
yes,
we didn't have breakfast.
We booked it through KTM app and this was super convenient, super easy.
It was really nice.
Yes.
And they will show the locations where you can book and how much far will be.
So
what they have slots,
yes.
like every 15 minutes they have slots. So that was really nice.
And we are at
Meluala, something like this.
some funny name place we will take for you here.
Let me see, Meluala Plum, something like this.
We will take for you here,
Yes.
the place name.
And that guy told me that half hour he gonna check for me everything. If it's needed top up, he gonna do it also.
And then we will be heading off further to
Coimbatore, yeah.
And today we have an amazing day because we booked Bharat pods. Those are like sleeping capsules.
Yes, because in Europe we have a lot of ports, but we never tried that one. And
we are really curious how does that work. They have co-working space, some comfortable lounge.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the shower area is shared, which we are not very happy about.
Yeah, but as I know, they don't have much people. So.
And we were really curious. Here is in good price.
Yeah.
Because in Europe they are quite pricey.
Yeah.
You would expect that such an inconvenient stay will be cheap, but no, in Europe it's expensive.
It's the same like hotel then.
Yeah.
Like, they will be the same price.
Yeah. So here we are trying it and we will see. So stay tuned for that. So now Dosto, we have chai and we ordered paneer jamun because they are pink and I wanted to have something which is looking cute. They look like a pink crystal. So weird,
Yeah.
but not bad. Totally new flavor.
prefer normal jamun.
So you could have it, honey.
I don't know what.
Nice. Tastes like this one kind of artificial jelly flavor candy.
You got it, yes.
You feel it too.
I don't know how to express one.
jelly candy, like a gummies, which are coated in very weird sugar.
Yeah.
And this tastes like this.
Because when you finish, this flavor came out.
Yes, I feel the same.
I don't know how to put in words, that's why I didn't say, but it's the same. Okay, let's finish our chai.
Yes, South
And,
Indian chai, but this one is not chocolatey.
And then we go to Lakshmi.
Yes.
To see how it's going, yeah?
So, Dosto, we are approaching the service point, and let's see if our Lakshmi is ready.
It's checked. I hope there is nothing to do much, so we can just take and go. Normal checkups, but I don't see outside, so let's go in and then we will,
We will see.
Yeah.
Let's go.
कैसा है कामकाज? How is going? So everything is done? Everything. Okay. But nothing is problem, yeah?
Here is our beauty.
Because in down something was noise, but I think it's just because I came from Ooty, so But you didn't. Chain was loose. Maybe that's why. Okay.
We have it. Everything is okay.
Yeah, everything is okay. They just check everything and clean the chain.
Okay.
And chain was loose, so they tighten up.
And the oil is okay?
Yeah.
Because you were questioning.
Oil is okay.
Okay, perfect.
So we are ready to go.
So.
So, it's getting ready.
Yes. Final setups.
Take out the glasses. No. Here, from here.
Here?
Otherwise, you're gonna change the sides. Yeah.
So I will prefer we pack Sony now.
Did you put the for Coimbatore?
And
for our
we will be ready.
Our code?
For road we have GoPro. For road I have Insta. Our code for Coimbatore. And we are going to pods. So apparently we've got our first puncture today in Lakshmi. The back tire has something like a screwdriver in it. I'm not even sure what is there. But like we were riding, suddenly we heard very weird sound, like tuk tuk tuk. Just in the morning we had servicing, as you have seen, so we called the service guy because we thought
the service guy didn't prepare nicely chain or something, and
because
that's
chain
why.
looked so wet, and it was really suspicious. But then this guy came. They were so nice here in the
They
city.
came with bike, with stand, everything to
with
us.
screwdrivers to fix things. But then this guy took the bike for a ride. They also didn't know what happened. He rode with it, he heard the sound, everyone heard the sound, and suddenly the other guy realized that we have a puncture in the tire.
And not a small one, it's like this screwdriver. Like literally this one.
It's so insane.
So now we're gonna wait, I think half hour, I hope so, and we'll be done everything.
And then we are going to Coimbatore.
And
So
the cost will be little also.
yes, for now they are telling us 450 rupees for a small puncture. They call it mushroom puncture.
Because it's on
Not
sideways.
sure what is that.
It's on sideways,
But,
so they have different.
We hope it will be well done.
Yeah, we don't need to have problem again and again, because
Yes.
I know one time if it happens, it may happen faster.
And we stopped at Tyre Bros here in what was that city name? I forget all the time. Anyway, we stopped at Tyre Bros. We will let you know if this company does the job good. We hope so. Looks very nice. They have a lot of stands, a lot of
We
cars.
can make it to Adiyogi today.
On
That's
time.
the
Rather
questionable.
on time.
That's the questionable.
Because I want to be there at least for sunset.
Yeah.
So our bike was just now here and we don't see it anymore. Here is where it left, but we hope it will be fixed well. Still waiting.
Not like on the way we must be stop and again puncture and puncture.
this is our Lakshmi Dosto being fixed. Big disaster today, but we hope we will make up to it. So we have some cold, refreshing drink.
Yeah, I walk 500 meters. They don't have nearby nothing.
It takes time. It takes a little time.
1 hour
They
push
took out the tire from the bike. We have the screwdriver. I put it already in the bag. It's so hot and they have only one single fan in this place.
Yeah, that's why I stay outside.
And we will be late. We must check what is time sunset, and according to that we will adjust our plan. But still, we're gonna have fun, stay in the pod, whatever happens. Hopefully it will be relaxing enough after such an adventurous day.
Good.
So this is our tire, going well.
Yeah, no, you know, normally, no. Now is good. Yeah, so now our tire is getting ready. It's already done. As you see, he made a puncture. Now we just fit it and we go ahead.
Hit the road.
We hit the road, but I don't know how we have Coimbatore. Be careful there. Go from there.
Careful, don't worry.
I don't know how we're gonna plan now Coimbatore because we had different plans and now I think we're gonna.
I tell you, honey, if we leave before 3, we are still good.
Okay.
And we can still make it first to the pod
Leave
before 3.
from here.
From here.
Easily. He
First,
will take
we can go to the pod, change, refresh, and leave to the statue, and we will be on time before the sunset. So
easily, I think 20 minutes max. So,
plan
before
is fine.
2:30 we are going there.
we hope no more surprises
Good.
anymore today.
Good.
Almost.
Anya, take this. Look, no see.
So Dosto, we have it. Our experience with Tyre Bros was overall good. They fixed it in less than 1 hour, I think.
Yeah, it's 45 minutes approx something, plus
Yes.
minus.
And that was some difficult puncture. Well, that much big screwdriver, so not
You
surprising.
must really do nicely, otherwise we're gonna have problem all the way, air leaking and something.
Wait, I have it. Explain them till that I bring it.
So, because air leaking and everything is not gonna good for, because when will be get heated, then it can be leaked air. And if
Here,
you see,
Dosto, that much big.
if you see that much
screwdriver, not subscriber.
subscriber,
Subscriber, you can become subscriber. And this is a big screwdriver.
that much big, so he must really put nicely, otherwise we're gonna have leakages on the way.
But how fantastic someone has to be to leave that much big
He
screwdriver.
told me someone put it or what, but I say it can't go it like this. I don't think so.
That's how I feel too.
And if will be, it can't be like this road.
No way. That's so strange. That's
It's
really
strange, but
situation.
whatever happened, we are safe, Lakshmi is safe,
This.
and we are not in some remote area that we should to drive like 10 kilometers something. So
No,
that's the thing that
fortunately, we were nearby the service point still, which
Yeah.
we took the service in the morning, so they also help us find the puncture repair place and
so all in all, we just waste the time, but nothing happened.
else. Health
And
is
it's the
okay,
best.
bike is okay, tour is still okay, we are on time. So
Perfect then, yeah. Let's move further.
So, Dosto, we arrived at our Bharat Pod place with sleeping pods, and now we are quickly leaving just to see the Shiva statue in Adiyoga before sunset. So, we are on the run at this moment. Let's go. 10 rupees